time I publish a video telling MTN users how to get very cheap and affordable data as far as MTN network is concerned, 4 out of 10 persons are always complaining that they are ineligible, they are not eligible, so they cannot enjoy this amazing offer. Guys, if you fall into this category, this video is for you. That's because in this video I'll be unveiling to you what you should do in order for you to start enjoying this offer. Truth be told, on MTN we have so many plans. We have MTN Pulse, we have MTN Beta. I will tell you the base plan that you are to migrate to so that you can start enjoying this amazing offer. Guys, if you are coming across my video for the very first time, you are welcoming. All I want you to do for me at this point is for you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe so that when I drop another amazing video just like this one, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Now that you are done subscribing, do well to leave a comment. If you have a video request, drop it in the comments and I'll be glad making a video explaining whatever you want to your understanding. Then do not forget to share so that other persons can see this amazing offer through you. So because I don't want this video to be long, let us go straight to it. Guys, like I rightly stated, on MTN we have MTN Beta, MTN Pulse and others. For you to enjoy this amazing offer, you either need to be in MTN Pulse or MTN Beta. So in this video I'll be teaching you how you can successfully migrate from whatever plan that you are to MTN Pulse so you can start enjoying this amazing offer. Truth be told, if you are in MTN Pulse, you start enjoying a whole lot. It's not just mere words. You start enjoying night browsing, flat rate on all calls, and many more. If you want me to keep mentioning, let me know in the comments. So guys, let me take you over to my screen recorder so I can unveil these codes and the things you're supposed to do so you can start enjoying this amazing offer. Come with me guys to my screen recorder where I will carefully unravel these codes to you. Guys, at this point you're dialing *406 *406 *1 hash. Then you dial *406 *1 hash. Now at this point, this is what you're supposed to do. You go for option number 1, which is join Pulse. You'd send it. Once you send it, look at it. It is telling me, dear customer, you will lose all your Pulse points if you migrate out of the plan. So because I don't want to migrate out of the plan, because I am already on Pulse, so I will not be clicking 1. So what you do at this point is this: you will proceed so you can migrate to Pulse. Once you migrate to Pulse, you can start enjoying this amazing offer. So guys, let us proceed. So now you will dial *312 *88 hash. Then you dial. So this one says you'll be charged 200 naira for this purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. Guys, if this is okay by you, you can go ahead and purchase your data using this code. Next on our list is *312 *100 hash. Then you dial. So once you dial, you have to wait. This one says you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB data bundle valid for 30 days. So next on our list is *312 *86 hash. Then you dial. This one says you'll be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. So this one is weekly plan. If it sounds interesting to you, you can go ahead and purchase your data this way. So next on our list is *312 *1 *10 hash. Then you dial. So this one says with 7,500 you get 20 GB with 9,000 you will get 25 GB, with 11,000 you're getting 36 GB, with 18,000 you're getting 75 GB, with 35,000 you are getting 165 GB, and lastly with 55,000 you're getting 250 GB. So next on our list is *312 *87 hash, then you dial. So this one says you'll be charged 50 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus another 250 MB 14-day plan. So if you're going for this option, it will last for 14 days. So next on our list is *406 *3 hash, then you dial. This one says enjoy Pulse night live browsing from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So this one you'll be charged just 75 naira and you'll be given 500 MB. So it's just for those in Pulse plan, you understand. So next on our list is *344 *2 *1 hash, then you dial. So this one says for select education site /app only. So with 50 naira you'll be charged 300, you'll be given 300 MB and it will last for 7 days. So next on our list is *121 hash, then you dial. So at this point we are going for the second option, you send. So this one with 900 naira you'll be given 2.5 GB. Guys, this is amazing. So next on our list is *312 hash, then you dial. So at this point we are going for option number 3. So at this point, this particular code, in case you are not active on all social media platforms, you're just active on selected ones, maybe WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, so you can purchase. So let's say I want to purchase for just Instagram. I'm going for option number 3. So here I'll be charged 300 naira for 1 GB. Guys, this is amazing. So next on our list is *312 hash, then you dial. So this time around we are going for option number 2. So number 1 says with 300 naira you will get 1.5 GB, with 500 naira you're getting 1 GB, with 600 naira you're getting 1.5 GB, with 900 naira you're getting 2.5 GB, with 1000 naira you're getting 3.2 GB. Please guys, when purchasing your data using this code, you need to check very well because some is for a day, some for 2 days, you understand. So next on our list is *312 hash, then you dial. So this time around we are going for option number 4. This option number 4 is for business owners, you understand. So if you own businesses, you can as well use this code. You can use this code to buy large amount of data. So this one is Biz Plus Basic 1.4 GB for 600 naira for 30 days. Then the second one is 2.1 GB for 900 naira for 7 days. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video and bye for now.